There's a city not too far from Mason County where they began the expression, "It's the water," which became fairly famous once it got plastered on a popular beverage. But if you've ever been to Mason County, you'll soon realize that more than 2/3 of our landmass is national forest, national park, state park, or other public lands. And much of that is either covered by or borders some kind of water. Fresh water, salt water, frozen water, you name it, we got it. In Mason County, it really is the water. Get here late April or early May. That's when the hills pour forth with spring runoff and thousands of skunk cabbage burst open above the banks of the Skokomish River. If hunting down wildflowers seems a little tame to you, just remember, some of that same water flows down over 24 bona fide waterfalls in the Mason County area. Most of them accessible to visitors in the foothills of the Olympic mountain range. That same water feeds giant patches of delicious watercress that bloom like fresh salad bars along Highway 101. You can have a lazy day just hanging around our scenic drives, like North Shore Road on the Tahuya Peninsula. Or be lazy in the water at one of our premier resorts. Here's a low tide view looking out toward the Olympics from Alderbrook Resort and Spa. Go get lazy on the water with a chartered cruise. Lots of people come to Mason County because we're a world-class destination for divers who want to go in the water, and kayakers who appreciate lots and lots of scenic, calm, and remotely wonderful water.
Searching, I've been traveling, I've been going down some lonely roads. I sure was carrying heavy load. Never saw a light till I found the right road.
Or come launch your own vacation memories at any of Mason County's public boat launches, state parks, or private marinas.
My shoes carrying heavy load. Never saw the light till I found the right door. See, I never saw the light till I found the right door. Comes as it may, comes as it might, that's the way it.
And for every cove and bay along our 100+ miles of shoreline, we have matching islands you might want to live on someday.
That's the way it is.
These next two views of water are taken less than 100 feet from each other. Mason County will surprise you, like when the spring elk herds come down from the snowfields and you can watch them from your car window. Hiking the wide stretches of public land or spending hours along our driftwood beaches make it feel like you're paying for a motel room but staying in the whole county.
Till I let it go. Comes as it may.
You can climb over 6,000 feet, skydive from over 10,000 feet, or just take your own 2 feet and go exploring all day long. Or just sit on the shore and take in the view. Mason County is the kind of place where you can be as active as you want to be. And if someone tells you to go jump in the lake, well, you'll probably be the only person swimming in a mighty big lake.